Data is your business. You do what you do because you want to know more. Because you know that when you know more, you can do more. But with the amount of data out there today, complex, multi-sourced, time-sensitive data, you need a way to do more with the tools you already know, rather than learning more about new tools you don't need. Thankfully, the best tool for data analytics is the one you're already using. Meet Excel with Power BI for Office 365, the analytics tool designed for more. You know that Excel is a powerful tool for business, but now it's more intelligent. Discover more with Power Query. Online search connects you to data from across your organization and valuable public data sets, helping you clean, transform, and merge data from multiple sources. Analyze more with Power Pivot. Create impressive analytical models in a familiar and flexible environment for fast manipulation and processing. Visualize more with Power View and Power Map. Bring together data, charts, and graphs into a single dynamic view and explore geospatial data with bold, new, interactive visualizations. And when combined with the cloud power of Office 365, you can share your stories with whoever you want, wherever you go. Power BI sites help you collaborate more with a single place to share live reports and custom datasets with your team. Dive into Q&A. Just ask a question of your data and get a visualized answer back, bringing data to everyone. And stay connected with mobile access to your favorite live and interactive reports from anywhere on any device. And do it all in the cloud, on your terms. Easy to set up and easy to keep up to date, with scheduled refreshes and state-of-the-art practices around privacy and security. This is the power of more. This is Power BI for Office 365.